igniting curiosity and inspiring the future generation. The Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, India's esteemed national space agency, is excited to invite school students and space enthusiasts to embark on a remarkable learning journey. Space technology provides a unique opportunity to delve into the captivating realms of space science and technology. Led by experienced ISRO scientists and engineers, this ISRO course promises to ignite young minds with knowledge and enthusiasm. ISRO course aims to equip young learners with a solid foundation in space technology, space science, and space applications. Through engaging content and thought-provoking challenges, students will explore the vast universe and gain insights into the challenges and opportunities it presents. Cultivating interest in STEM. One of the primary objectives of this ISRO online course on space technology is to inspire students to pursue science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, STEM-based research and careers. By unlocking the secrets of the cosmos, ISRO aims to spark a deep fascination for space exploration within the young generation. Through interactive modules, participants will delve into the wonders of space, broadening their horizons and shaping their aspirations. Requirements and eligibility. A basic understanding of science, technology, and mathematics is recommended for participants to fully engage with the course material. Whether you are a curious student or a passionate space enthusiast, this open ISRO online course on space technology course welcomes learners from diverse backgrounds. Learn from the masters of space technology. ISRO online course on space technology brings together an exceptional team of course instructors, ISRO scientists and engineers. Drawing from their wealth of expertise and experience, these esteemed professionals will guide and inspire students throughout their learning journey. Don't miss this extraordinary opportunity to venture into the captivating world of space technology. Join the ISRO online course on space technology today and let your curiosity reach for the stars. ISRO online course on space technology course content. Introduction to space. Basics of sky observation. Space in India. Exoplanets and life components. Challenges in space. Our nearest star is the Sun and the Aditya mission. ISRO launch vehicles. Physics behind satellites. ISRO satellites. ISRO Chandrayaan mission. International Space Station, ISS. Space tourism. Remote sensing technology. Satellite payload and applications. Careers in space. Gaganyaan. ISRO Mangalyaan mission. Satellite navigation system. Communication satellites and application. How to register the ISRO online free course. Thanks for watching.